Alright, Warren here again with the Peach State Prime channel, and we are currently in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, kind of up along the main strip, checking out some of the gift shops, and we're currently heading over to a newer gift shop that we've never been to before. I've seen it featured on a few other videos here on YouTube, so figured we'd go check it out. They actually have a Selfie Park outside where you could take your own pictures and videos, and they actually encourage it. It's kind of their thing to get you to, pull you into that shop. And the name of this place, and we're coming up on it now, I don't want to mess it up. This is Bigfoot's Country Barn. Like I said, Bigfoot's Country Barn, Selfie Park and gift shop. And there are a ton of Sasquatches all over here. Alright, we are inside Bigfoot's Country Barn, and this used to be a different shop, but they've changed it up and really adopted the Bigfoot theme.
Yeah, the first thing you see is Bigfoot.
Believe. I don't think I've ever seen this much Bigfoot merchandise. Lots of great t-shirts. Old license plates. Of course, Bigfoot and bears. Those are the two big things. Got some Christmas ornaments. Whole bunch of Bigfoot magnets. We got some wind chimes here. Looks like we got some dog t-shirts. And this is a pretty sizable store. And it's just a few doors down from the Three Bears gift shop, so not far. You can walk to both if you park in one location. The Bigfoot Sock Company up there. We got some Elvis merchandise. That's another popular thing in these stores. There's these bones here. Oh, these are different candles. And they have some inside different soda cans. Does it smell like Dr. Pepper? No, can't say that it does, but I guess that's neat for recycling purposes. Got some more Sasquatch and bear merchandise up here. What are these little, guess a little Zen Bigfoot. And we found the door to the photo park. Unfortunately, it does appear that the photo park is closed for the night. It's still light out there, but I guess they decided to close it earlier tonight. You have some pictures people have taken out there. Would have been really fun to go out there. It's a shame. All right, so that was the Bigfoot's Country Barn. Had a look at it again. So the shop itself was very nice. Had a lot of unique things in there. It's just a total bummer that the selfie portion was closed. I mean, I know at Three Bears, you know, when we were there, the bears were closed up for the night. And you know what? We might be able to see some of it back here. So we won't be able to get in there. But anyways, what I was saying was, you know, I understand, you know, animals need their rest like all living things. These are, you know, photo ops and statues and murals. So I'm a little confused why it was closed earlier, especially when it's still daylight. But they have their reasons. But it looks like we can still get a look at the selfie park right over here. So at least there's that. So here we are on the other side of the fence from the selfie park, and you can see through there they do have some bears. You have, it looks like a gopher dressed up as Elvis.
Yep.
You got the Grand Ole Smoky instead of the Grand Ole Opry with bears playing instruments. You have a giant grasshopper over here. And then, oh, you have this monkey you can sit next to right here. I would have loved to have done that photo op. And then you got
a troll.
This giant chicken right here, or giant rooster. And you got this greetings from the Smokies with a bear, which is very cool. And then you got this is a little bit more on the creepy side here. You have this giant
Troll?
Man, or just giant in general, and you know, kind of reminds me of something that I've seen. I've never watched it, but Attack on Titan, which is an anime. I know they have these giant monster things. It kind of looks like one of those from what I've seen. And then back behind it, you can see like here and over here, you have like a whole bunch of like, you know, the face cut out, you know, photo opportunities where you stick your head and through, and that's obviously Dolly Parton and Willie Nelson there. You got some butterfly wings you can stand in front of, make it look like you have wings. And looks like, yeah, you have some of those, a lot of those face cut out opportunities. So, you know, maybe sometime we'll be able to stop back by and, you know, actually go into the selfie park. Oh, and I missed this. This is really cool. This is the back of the shop, which looks like a barn, or I guess is a barn. And you have this giant Bigfoot mural. That's really cool. So anyways, that's the new Bigfoot store. Bigfoot's Country Barn. Can't keep the name straight. Anyway, so we still got to see the selfie park, even though it was closed for the evening. Maybe it's because of the rain in the area. And there's even a dinosaur there we're walking by. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like here on YouTube. And of course, subscribe to the Peach State Prime channel for more content like this. Again, we cover just all sorts of fun stuff in and around Atlanta, Georgia, and beyond, like we are now. We're in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Fun places to eat and shop, events like conventions, attractions, theme parks, you name it. If it's fun and unique, we typically cover it. And of course, leave a comment. What's your favorite gift shop here in the Smokies? If you've ever been or see something that stood out, let me know. Love to hear from you. If you do happen to be into Transformers, I also have the Peach State Prime Transformers channel, which you can check out as well. Just all sorts of fun stuff regarding my favorite hobby. Anyways, thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you have a great day, and God bless.